Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Binance account. First, navigate to the official Binance website or download the mobile application from your App Store. Once there, locate and click the Register or Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to choose your preferred registration method, either using an email address or a mobile phone number. This initial step is quick and straightforward, taking only a minute or two to complete. Next, you'll need to enter your chosen email address or mobile phone number and create a robust password. Make sure your password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After that, you'll complete a simple security verification puzzle, which helps confirm you are a human user. Finally, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone, which you must enter to proceed. To fully activate your account and access all features, you must complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This involves providing personal details such as your full legal name and date of birth. You will then be asked to upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, like a passport or driver's license. The final step is a quick facial verification scan, which you can do using your computer's webcam or your phone's camera. This process typically takes a few minutes. Once your identity is verified, it's highly recommended to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security, such as Google Authenticator. You can then proceed to fund your account using several convenient methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even depositing existing cryptocurrencies. Binance supports over 300 different cryptocurrencies. With funds in your account, you are now ready to explore the platform's extensive features and begin trading digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.